In 2023, a 45-year-old entrepreneur in Silicon Valley tested his biological age. His chronological age, 45. His biological age, 59. He spent the next 12 months applying 10 specific, science-backed biohacks. He retested his biological age, 38. A 21-year reversal in 12 months. Now, before you think this requires $1 million budget, 7 of the 10 strategies he used cost absolutely nothing. The other 3 cost less than $50 a month combined. Biohacking is no longer the exclusive domain of wealthy tech executives. It is a set of evidence-based tools, available to any American willing to learn how to use their own biology. Today we cover the 10 most powerful biohacks Americans over 40 are using right now, ranked by scientific evidence, practical accessibility, and measurable impact on biological aging. Stay until Biohack 7. Because that one produces the most dramatic measurable results of anything on this list, and it takes less than 3 minutes a day. Let's start. The most sophisticated anti-aging technology in the world is 93 million miles away. It rises every morning. And 10 minutes with it, before you check your phone, before your coffee, sets the biological foundation for every cell in your body to repair itself that night. This is about optimizing your morning light exposure, a free circadian reset. Your circadian rhythm is your body's internal 24-hour clock, primarily governed by a tiny region in your brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Direct morning light signals this master clock. Getting direct natural light in your eyes within 30 minutes of waking anchors your circadian rhythm, optimizing your cortisol awakening response. This, in turn, improves nighttime melatonin release, the hormone crucial for sleep. Better melatonin release directly translates to improved deep sleep quality. Deep sleep is the primary window for cellular repair, growth hormone release, and biological age reversal. The compounding effect of consistent circadian optimization measurably reduces inflammatory aging markers. The protocol is simple. 10 minutes outside within 30 minutes of waking, no sunglasses. Biohack 2 directly impacts the cellular structures that determine how fast every cell in your body ages, and most Americans have never heard of them. Your biological age is not your birthday. It is the length of your telomeres. And unlike your birthday, you can influence that number with choices you make every single day. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes, like the plastic tips on shoelaces. They safeguard your DNA during cell division. With every division, these telomeres shorten. When they become too short, cells can no longer divide, contributing to aging and disease. Telomere length is one of the most accurate biological aging markers. What accelerates telomere shortening? Chronic stress, poor sleep, processed food, smoking, and chronic inflammation. But here's the powerful part: you can protect and even lengthen your telomeres. Aerobic exercise, meditation, stress reduction, omega-3 supplementation, and a plant-rich diet all play crucial roles. Elizabeth Blackburn won a Nobel Prize for discovering telomerase, an enzyme that rebuilds telomeres, and lifestyle choices can activate this enzyme. The protocol: 30 minutes of aerobic exercise 5 times weekly, 2 to 4 grams of omega-3 daily, and 10 minutes of daily stress reduction practice. Biohack 7, the 3-minute biological age reversal, coming. Biohack 3 is one Americans are adding to their routines faster than any other biohack, because the results show up in how they feel within the first week. Discomfort is a biological signal. A specific kind of discomfort, cold, tells your cells that resources are scarce and triggers an ancient survival optimization program. This is cold exposure, utilizing cold water immersion or cold showers to activate profound metabolic and longevity benefits. It activates brown adipose tissue, metabolically active fat that burns energy to generate heat, boosting your metabolism. Cold also dramatically increases norepinephrine, a hormone that improves focus, mood, and metabolic rate, often by 200 to 300%. Beyond the immediate metabolic surge, cold activates AMPK, a cellular energy sensor. This enzyme triggers autophagy, your cell's natural cleanup process that removes damaged proteins and cellular debris. Autophagy is directly linked to biological age reversal and improved cellular health. That program cleans up cellular debris, builds new mitochondria, and resets metabolic function. It takes 2 minutes. At the end of your shower. Starting tonight. The protocol: finish your shower with 2 to 3 minutes of cold water. For advanced users, cold plunge at 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes, starting with 30 seconds and building over 2 weeks. Biohack 4 is one that Americans are getting significantly wrong, specifically the timing, and fixing just the timing produces measurable results without changing anything else. You do not need to eat less. You need to eat in a shorter window. Your metabolic machinery was never designed to be processing food for 15 hours a day. Give it a break. And watch what it does with that break. This is time-restricted eating, a metabolic reset available to every American. It's about confining your daily food intake to a consistent 8 to 10 hour window, not about calorie restriction. The benefits are significant: visceral fat reduction, improved insulin sensitivity, activation of autophagy, that critical cellular cleanup process, reduced inflammatory markers, and even improved sleep quality. The American eating problem is that most Americans eat across a 14 to 16 hour window daily, the metabolic equivalent of never stopping. Aligning your eating earlier in the day matches your body's peak insulin sensitivity, whereas eating late at night disrupts metabolic regulation. The protocol: start with a 12-hour eating window and gradually build to 14 to 16 hours of fasting daily. Crucially, stop eating 3 hours before sleep. Make your first meal protein-led. Biohack 5 addresses the mitochondria, the energy factories inside every cell in your body, and why most Americans over 40 are running on depleted energy at the cellular level. Your mitochondria are not a fixed resource. You can build more of them. You can make them more efficient. This is mitochondrial optimization, rebuilding your cellular energy factories. Mitochondria are the powerhouses inside every one of your cells, generating the energy your body needs to function. With age, their number and efficiency decline, leading to pervasive fatigue, cognitive slowdown, and accelerated biological aging. This decline is a key driver of many age-related issues, making mitochondrial health central to longevity. The inputs that do this, heat, cold, movement, fasting, cost almost nothing. The outputs, cellular energy, mental clarity, and reduced biological age, are measurable. Key mitochondrial biogenesis activators include zone 2 cardio, cold exposure, heat exposure like sauna, fasting, and resistance training. For supplements, Coke 10 200 to 400 mg, NMN or NR, NAD+ precursors, and magnesium 400 mg have the strongest evidence. A powerful protocol: 4 sessions per week in a sauna at 174 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes is shown to reduce all-cause mortality by 40%. Biohack 7, the 3-minute practice, just 2 biohacks away. Biohack 6 is the nutritional intervention with the strongest longevity evidence in the literature, not a diet, not a supplement, a specific eating pattern that measurably extends lifespan. Food is information. Every meal you eat sends signals to your cells, either toward inflammation and accelerated aging, or toward repair and biological age reversal. This is the anti-inflammatory eating protocol the longevity diet science actually supports. We now understand that inflammaging, chronic low-grade inflammation, is a major driver of almost all age-related diseases. What drives inflammaging? Seed oils, refined sugar, ultra-processed food, and excess alcohol are primary culprits, triggering systemic inflammation that accelerates biological aging. The most powerful pharmacy available to any American is their grocery store. Most people just have not been given the right shopping list. Foods with the strongest anti-inflammatory longevity evidence include fatty fish rich in omega-3s, extra virgin olive oil for its oleocanthal, berries packed with anthocyanins, leafy greens for vitamin K2 and folate, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli for sulforaphane. For maximum sulforaphane, broccoli sprouts are incredibly potent, containing 100x more than mature broccoli. Protocol: eliminate seed oils, add fatty fish 3 times weekly, include daily extra virgin olive oil, and incorporate broccoli sprouts weekly. And now, Biohack 7. The 3-minute daily practice with the most dramatic measurable biological age results of anything on this list. This is what you stayed for. You breathe 23,000 times a day. Almost none of those breaths are intentional. This is Biohack 7, Breathwork, the 3-minute biological age reset most Americans have never tried. Most Americans live in chronic sympathetic dominance, a constant state of fight or flight. This continuously elevates cortisol, accelerates telomere shortening, and drives biological aging. Intentional breathwork offers a direct pathway to downregulate this stress response, shifting your autonomic nervous system from sympathetic to parasympathetic dominance, the rest and digest state. 5 intentional minutes every morning, changing the pattern, the depth, the rhythm, produces measurable neurological and hormonal changes that reduce the biological aging rate at the cellular level. 3 minutes if that is all you have. Start there. 2 powerful techniques: the physiological sigh, a double inhale through the nose followed by a long exhale, is the fastest known way to downregulate stress. Cyclic hyperventilation, like Wim Hof or Tummo breathing, alkalizes blood pH, increases cellular oxygen, and triggers a deep parasympathetic recovery phase. Stanford research in 2023 showed 5 minutes of daily breathwork outperformed 5 minutes of mindfulness meditation for stress reduction and nervous system regulation. Biohack 8 targets the gut, the system that controls 70% of the immune system and directly communicates with every aging pathway in the body. The 100 trillion bacteria living in your gut are not passengers. They are participants in your immune function, your inflammatory load, your neurotransmitter production, and your biological aging rate. This is Biohack 8, optimize your gut microbiome, the longevity system living inside you. The diversity of your gut bacteria is directly correlated with longevity. Studies consistently show centenarians, people living to 100 and beyond, have significantly more diverse microbiomes than the average population. What destroys this crucial diversity? Antibiotics, processed food, seed oils, chronic stress, and a lack of dietary fiber are major culprits. Feed them what they need. They will do the rest. What builds microbiome diversity? Fermented foods daily have been shown in Stanford research to increase microbiome diversity more than a high-fiber diet alone. Aim for 30 different plant foods per week. Prebiotic fiber, found in foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus, also feeds beneficial bacteria. A compromised gut permeability, often called leaky gut, drives systemic inflammation that directly accelerates brain aging, highlighting the critical gut-brain aging axis. Protocol: add 1 fermented food daily, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, or Greek yogurt. Target 30 different plant foods weekly. If there is one biohack on this entire list that produces more measurable biological age reversal than anything else, it is this one. Not the supplements. Not the technology. The iron. 3 times a week. Nothing replaces it. This is Biohack 9, resistance training, the single most powerful anti-aging intervention available. Why is it number 1? Resistance training builds muscle, recognized as the organ of longevity. It directly reverses biological age markers by up to 10 years, significantly improves insulin sensitivity, increases vital hormones like IGF-1 and growth hormone, strengthens bone density, and reduces all-cause mortality by up to 30%. For Americans over 40, resistance training, not just cardio, needs to be their primary movement. Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, is a silent driver of metabolic aging and frailty. Resistance training directly combats this. The protocol, 3 sessions per week, focusing on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows. You don't need a gym, bodyweight exercises are incredibly effective to start. Consistency is key to reaping the profound benefits of muscle strength and cellular rejuvenation. This fundamental practice forms the bedrock of physical longevity. You cannot biohack your way around poor sleep. Everything else on this list, the cold exposure, the breathwork, the training, the fasting, builds on what happens at night. This is Biohack 10, Optimize Your Sleep Architecture, the Master Biological Age Reversal System. Sleep is not just about duration, it's the master repair and regeneration system. The architecture of your sleep, meaning the cycling through different stages, is paramount. Slow-wave deep sleep is crucial for growth hormone release, cellular repair, and memory consolidation. REM sleep is vital for emotional processing, neuroplasticity, and immune function. What degrades this vital sleep architecture? Alcohol, even in small amounts, severely compromises REM and deep sleep. Late eating keeps your digestive system active when it should be resting. Blue light exposure from screens before bed suppresses melatonin production. Inconsistent sleep timing, often a casualty of busy lifestyles, completely throws off your body's natural circadian rhythm, preventing deep, restorative sleep. These seemingly minor habits accumulate to significantly accelerate biological aging at a fundamental cellular level. And what happens at night is determined by one variable more than any other: consistency. Same time in. Same time out. 7 days a week. That is the foundation every other biohack rests on. What optimizes it? Consistent sleep and wake times are the most powerful intervention. Magnesium glycinate 400 mg before bed aids relaxation. Aim for a room temperature of 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure complete darkness in your bedroom. No alcohol within 4 hours of sleep, and no eating within 3 hours of sleep. Understanding your chronotype, whether you're a morning or evening type, and aligning your schedule accordingly, can further enhance sleep quality. 10 biohacks. Most of them free. All of them backed by science. Every single one available to you starting tonight. Your biological age is not fixed. It is not determined by the year you were born. It is determined by what you ask your biology to do, every morning, every meal, every night. Start with 1. The morning light. The cold shower. The consistent bedtime. Pick one, and build from there. Your cells are waiting for better instructions. Give them one tonight. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, exercise routine, supplement regimen, or health practices. Individual results vary.